Unlocking knowledge, the power and promise of online courses. In the digital age, learning has transcended the traditional classroom walls, thanks to the emergence of online courses. With the world at our fingertips, education has become more accessible, flexible, and personalized than ever before. Online courses have revolutionized the way we acquire knowledge, enabling individuals to embark on learning journeys that cater to their unique needs, schedules, and aspirations. The flexibility advantage. One of the most significant benefits of online courses is their flexibility. Learners can choose when and where to engage with course content, fitting learning seamlessly into their daily lives. This democratization of education is particularly valuable for individuals with busy schedules, working professionals, parents, or anyone seeking to enhance their skills while maintaining other commitments. Global learning communities. Online courses have created a global classroom, uniting learners from diverse backgrounds and geographies. This exposure to varied perspectives enriches discussions, encourages cultural exchange, and fosters collaboration on a scale previously unimaginable. Students can interact with peers from different corners of the world, broadening their horizons and building a network that transcends borders. Diverse course offerings. The range of subjects covered by online courses is vast and continuously expanding. From traditional academic subjects to niche professional skills, there's a course for nearly every interest and career path. This diversity allows learners to explore new fields, refine existing talents, or pivot into entirely different areas. Personalized learning experience. Online courses often leverage technology to provide personalized learning experiences. Adaptive quizzes, interactive assignments, and tailored content ensure that learners progress at their own pace and receive targeted feedback. This personalized approach enhances comprehension and retention, catering to individual learning styles. Affordability and accessibility. Compared to traditional education, online courses can be considerably more affordable. Many platforms offer free or budget-friendly options, making high-quality education accessible to a wider audience. This affordability eliminates financial barriers and empowers individuals to pursue continuous learning. Professional development and skill enhancement. Online courses have also become indispensable tools for professional development. Whether it's acquiring new software skills, improving leadership abilities, or learning about emerging industry trends, professionals can stay ahead in their careers by engaging with courses that align with their goals. In conclusion, online courses have ushered in a new era of education that empowers learners with choice, flexibility, and opportunities for growth. The fusion of technology and learning has paved the way for a dynamic, inclusive, and enriching educational landscape. As we continue to embrace the potential of online courses, we embark on a journey of knowledge acquisition that knows no bounds.